Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to download apps on Redmi A5. So to download apps, you have two solutions in the Redmi A5. The first one is the Redmi App Store called Get Apps. You can open it, and as you can see, you will find some apps here. You can install them by just clicking on install and you will install them. And the second option is the Google Play Store. You have just to open it. You will find it on your phone also, and you can use it to find any app that you want, for example Instagram, and click on install to install the app on your phone. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.